like everyone, right? I went down many
Sure.
paths of going, I want to be a audiophile kind of a guy. I want to be a dashboards guy. I think I've heard you, Ron, talk about many times that, you've got, your bubble cards and all this sort of stuff, right? You've got nice, pretty dashboards, that you work on them a bit. I start going down that path, then again, the brain just goes, I get 90% in the air and I go, I can't be bothered
Yeah.
because it's only for me. My wife, the kids, they don't want to use the app.
Yeah.
So then it's like, okay, well, I've got some old Android tablets. Then do I want to go destroy a wall? Do I want to go do all that? And who's actually going to use it? And I've gone down this path,
Exactly.
getting to the point of
Yeah.
execution, design, 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 plan, executing, and I go, who am I executing this for? It's just going to go and cause more maintenance and so actually, you know what? Drop it. Forget about it. I don't need it.
Yeah.
It's going to be something that someone walks in and goes, oh, what's that for? And then I'm going to have to keep maintaining it. So it's not really worth it. I'd rather just have something that lives and breathes with us.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'll get there
Yeah.
one day.
I 100% agree. I think if you've done home automation correctly, then there should need to be a need for a dashboard. Um, and at the end of the day, what are you needing to change? Like I've had the exact same thought processes, right? Like I've actually got a tablet on the wall randomly somewhere. My wife has said, "What do we need a tablet on the wall for? Like who's going to go up and touch anything on there, right? Like we have the apps on our phones. If we need to change anything, like a scene or something, we can go up and or we just pull out our phones and do it that
Yeah.
way."
I tell you who's going to touch it? Toddlers.
Yes.
Yeah. So, which we both have, and
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
it's
Well, no, they just yell out to the smart assistant now. They yell out to the little Amazon Echo
Oh
lady,
God.
like, please play this music, and then you get stuck with that music. Yeah.
mine loves playing with it while he eats, and because it's again it's on the kitchen, like it's on the kitchen counter, and he likes eating on his like tower, standing up, whatever.
Yeah, yep.
And now it is currently literally right now is filled with yogurt on the
Hmm.
on the screen, and it's just like man,
Yeah.
I just gotta
Is it a
clean it now.
yogurt or spaghetti? Something that's very hard to clean, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Always.
Yeah, I mean, I've got the grandkids now come around. Okay, so it's the youngest one, the near 2-year-old. It's so cute to see them going, you know, hey Google kind of thing. What they're kind of saying,
Yes.